Yo, what's up? Thank you guys for tuning in. Today we'll be unboxing the Bennet Read 10-in-1 pressure cooker. Super excited. Here we go. There we have it. The Bennet Read SuperChef 6 10-in-1 intelligent multi-cooker. This pressure cooker allows you to cook up to 60% faster with the power of steam and pressure. The Bennet Read 10-in-1 intelligent multi-cooker will save you time, money, and space. The pressure cooker comes with a 6-liter capacity for huge meals. Inside the box you will find the pressure cooker as well as the 6-liter capacity measuring units on the outside and the inside of the bowl. Inside the plastic bag you'll find a instructions manual as well as your power cable, a cup as well as a spoon. The pressure cooker has 12 intelligent pre-programmed one-touch settings, a programmable delay timer, also 8 safety features for peace of mind. It also has a built-in memory which resumes cooking after power failures. The pressure cooker also has cool touch handles for easy to clean convenience. On the rear you'll find the pressure valve allowing steam release.